Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create a classic VHS effect in Premiere Pro. So let's jump right in. So the first thing we need to do is to add in our clip first here. So we're gonna drag and drop it here onto our timeline. So this is where we're gonna go ahead and add in our VHS effect. So the first thing is to go ahead and highlight our clip. So let's drag it just like that, or you could simply go ahead and click onto the forward slash onto your keyboard for a shortcut key. Right after, go here on limit recolor, and if you're not seeing this, activate this by going here on Windows, and you should be able to see that one here, limit recolor. So click onto that and it should open something like this. Now, inside limit recolor, we have the creative section. So we're gonna go ahead and expand this by clicking onto that. And for faded film here, let's set this up to 50. So you could drag this, or you could simply go ahead and try to update this directly. And then right after, let's set the sharpen as well to -50. So just like that. Optionally, you could also lower the saturation if your clips or if your clip looked too colorful. So let's try to lower this down. And as you can see, we have here the preview of that. And then once done, we'll have to go to the effects panel. So click on effects here and it should open something like this. And here onto the search bar, we're going to type in unsharp mask. So you should be able to see that here. Let's drag and drop it here onto our clip, just like that. And once it is added already, let's go ahead and try to adjust this onto the effects control. So let's find an effects control here. Click onto effects control. Right after, let's amount this to 100. So we have the amount just as up to 100 and goes to 10. So once you do a preview on how this one should look like, so once you're already satisfied with that, you could go ahead and export already your newly created vintage VHS effect in Premiere Pro in just a few easy. If you think to you, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.